Hi, now I shall present the third installation developed by the artist Trishita Samanta. Um, she actually, is really talented in the sense that she had actually captured several kinds of shapes and motifs, present in the nature. I mean, while talking to her, she shared that her father is a carpenter, and she actually from her childhood had seen a lot of woods, and she kind of while her artistic sense is growing, she has actually been able to see many shapes and motifs in the wood, and so she had actually kind of preserved the shapes of the wood, and preserved of the shape of the things that she could see in the wood, and kind of given this shape. And she has also utilized all the recycled items and waste materials. So I think it's beautifully done. She has titled her installation as Symbolic Spirituality. This is spiritual insight, and this is spiritual motif. So I shall call Trishita. Please come and introduce yourself. Where are you from?
Hello everyone, I am Trishita Samanta. I live in Kolkata and this is my artwork. Thank you.
So I think beautifully done, Trishita. I mean, the way you have preserved the shapes, and kind of seen the vision of an artist that we actually maybe could not capture. It's beautifully done. Keep it up. Well done. So thank you all for listening to all of us. They're very young and trying. So please motivate and support them so that they can move forward. Thank you so much. Can I call all of them here? Sneha, Priyanka, Trishita. Well done, everyone. So I think I'm very impressed, and I really have learned a lot of things from these young talents. So I hope you will all enjoy this video. Thank you.